There's one coffee drink that instantly takes me back to Laos, and I can make it right here at home. Using the Nespresso Vertuo Up, I'm brewing rich, bold Lao-style coffee in minutes. Today I'll show you 3 different coffee drinks and then take it one step further by transforming it into a mango sticky rice, but make it coffee. Let me show you how to make it. Sabay Pinang, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today we have a very exciting episode because it's sponsored by Nespresso. I'm using the Nespresso Vertuo Up machine to brew 3 different types of coffee and also my favorite Lao style iced coffee, and then turning into a sticky rice dessert. If you want to follow along and make this at home, you can check out the Nespresso Vertuo Up in the link in the description. And now let's get brewing. The first coffee I'm making is my standard fast and easy reverso coffee, and I like making this when I have a busy morning and I just need something fast and easy. I'm going to start from the beginning so you can feel like an expert when you're using your Nespresso Vertuo Up machine. The first thing you want to do is grab the tank, and you're going to go ahead and fill it up with fresh water. Go ahead and turn on the machine by pressing the coffee button once, and it should start glowing like this. Nespresso has a variety of exceptional capsules with over 30 plus blends, seasonal flavors, and also limited edition coffees, so choose ones that you really love. Today I'm using their roasted hazelnut flavor. It looks like this. What I love about the capsules is that you can just look on the back and it shows you what you're using. So this one is the roasted hazelnut, 7.77 fluid ounces, and now it's ready to use. Go ahead and open the machine level, insert the Nespresso coffee, and then close it. And then you can adjust the mug support right here. I'm making a reverso, which is a coffee drink with coffee poured into the milk. The first step is to pour 4 ounces of whole milk into your mug. Place the mug under the coffee outlet. Start the brewing process by pressing the coffee button once. What I love about this is how fast and easy it is. All you saw is that me turning on the button, pressing it again, get a really nice cup of coffee. If you're brewing a double espresso, that should take less than or about 1 minute. So once the coffee is done brewing, go ahead and lift it up to eject the capsule. The coffee is done, and you can go ahead and mix the crema right into the coffee. And enjoy your coffee. Oh, that's so good. So good and comforting, and then start your day. The second coffee drink is one of my favorites. It is Lao style iced coffee. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So using the 18-ounce Nespresso glass, go ahead and add some condensed milk. And I'm using 2 tablespoons. And the capsule I'm using is one of my favorites. It is the double espresso dulce. It looks like this. So again, the steps are press the coffee button and lift up the lever. Place the glass under the Nespresso outlet. And in this recipe, I'm going to show you a different feature of the Vertuo Up. So you can press the Coffee Creations button right here, and that actually creates a concentrated form of whichever capsule you're using. So now I'm going to press the Coffee Creations mode, and then once lit up, go ahead and press the coffee button. For this example of the Coffee Creations mode, a double espresso would usually produce about a 2.7 ounce espresso, but when you press Coffee Creations, it produces a concentrated form in about 1.35 ounces. So the next thing in this step, go ahead and add your ice, and you want to fill it all the way to the top. And then go ahead and top it off with some whole milk. And then mix well, and go ahead and enjoy. Cheers. That is so refreshing. So what I love about this double espresso capsule, it actually has notes of caramel, so it just pairs so well with this Lao iced coffee. And the third and last drink is a hot coconut banana latte. So for this coffee drink, you're gonna need some coconut milk. And this is about 1/4 a cup, 2 tablespoons of your favorite syrup, and then 1/4 of a cup of a ripe banana. And so for this size banana, it's usually about half a banana. Go ahead and break it up and put it in there. And then using whatever tool you have in the kitchen, I'm gonna use this item and just squish the bananas until it's well mixed with the coconut milk and the syrup. And the capsule I'm using for this one is the Malozio flavor. It actually pairs really well with banana flavors because this one gives like a cereal note. And for this drink, I'm showing you the third feature of the Nespresso Vertuo Up machine. And it's gonna be used with the Nespresso Smart app. What I love about the Nespresso Smart app is that it gives all different types of customizations to your various coffee drinks. So we're gonna show you how to make this latte with the Nespresso Smart app. So go ahead on your phone, press the Nespresso app. Press the first tab here. and then you're gonna get all these different types of capsules. We're using the mug 7 ounce. What I love about this feature is that you can make it shorter or larger. And then in terms of brewing, you can do it cooler or hotter. So for this latte, we're gonna do regular and then hotter. And then go ahead and click the save button. And there you have it. Now this is saved into the memory of the Vertuo Up. Open the lever, put in your capsule, close it. I'm gonna press read my capsule, and that automatically detects what type of capsule it is in there. So the customization that I already put on save with the mug, it'll create that. So read my capsule, and now it's ready. Go ahead and press the coffee button. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, you have an amazing coconut banana latte. You can see the bottom is our sweetened banana coconut layer, and then the middle is the coffee, and then the top is crema. Look at that. And go ahead and mix the latte. That's so good. So we're not done here. We're gonna turn this drink into a sticky rice dessert. Next thing we're gonna make is one of my favorite sticky rice desserts. It's a take on mango sticky rice, but with coffee. And yes, this is possible and it is quite delicious. So this is how you make it. So first, you're gonna grab warm sticky rice. However you wanna make your sticky rice, there's a lot of different methods. You wanna use warm sticky rice first, and then half a cup of the latte. Just pour it all over there. And then you want to sweeten this up even more with 1 pump of syrup and just a small pinch of salt. And that brings out the sweetness. And go ahead and mix this well. And at this point, you can even taste it to see if it's up to your sweetener level. That's so good. This is really easy sauce to make. All you're gonna add is some water, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, and some cornstarch flour. Before you turn on any heat, just make sure it mixes well. And then go ahead and turn on the heat to medium, and it should only take a couple minutes. And then put it in a bowl to cool. All right, go ahead and place the sauce in the bowl. All right, so here's the sticky rice. You can see it's soaked up all the liquid. So I'm gonna take a handful. I'm just gonna mold it into like an oval. Plate it. I have some cut up bananas that I'm just gonna put to the side. And with the sauce, I sweetened it with 1 pump of syrup. And you wanna mix it well. And go ahead and drizzle it on top of the rice. And then what I like is having crushed peanuts, because that's that salty flavor that contrasts with the sweet. And go ahead and drizzle that right on top of the sauce. All right, let's give it a try. This is the perfect bite. A little bit of the rice and also the banana. This actually makes the perfect breakfast because you get the caffeine from the coffee that's absorbed into the sticky rice, and then the fresh banana on the side. Oh man, this is really good. And I love that the crushed peanuts just balance that saltiness with the sweet and just plays around with flavor. I hope you all give this a try because this is gonna be a common dessert in my household. Kapchai Live, thank you so much friends for watching, and comment below and let me know your thoughts on these coffee drink recipes and also the sticky rice recipe. Like, comment, and share if you want more Lao recipes, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye!